Being a veteran, I was really hoping to use my VA benefits to buy a home here in Texas. It just seemed like the smart thing to do. No down payment, no mortgage insurance, and better terms. But I ran into roadblock. I had already used my VA benefits for my Colorado home, and I didn't realize that you can't use it again and again and again unless you basically free up your eligibility. That's where Skyridge Lending really helped me to understand what my options were. They broke it down in a way that made sense. It wasn't about just yes or no. They showed me the how. They gave me two paths. I could either refinance my Colorado home into a rental loan, or I could sell it. I already had a few rentals in Colorado, so I didn't want to complicate things with another one. Selling it just made more sense for me. But I wouldn't have even known I had to do that if they hadn't explained it. They walked me through the process and even helped me to figure out the timing so I wouldn't get stuck without a place to live. I never felt like I was in the dark. Not at all. The property that I fell in love with was around 500 acres. It was beautiful and it had the space that I needed, but I just assumed it was way too much for my VA financing. In- It was listed at around 3 million. I figured the VA loan limit was way below that. But Skyridge surprised me again. They explained that as long as my eligibility was fully restored, there wasn't actually a hard cap on the loan amount. I had no idea. They got me 100% financing on that home, no down payment, no funding fee because of my disability status, no mortgage insurance. It was unreal. It changed everything. I didn't have to tie up hundreds of thousands of dollars in cash to make the move, which meant I could invest that into opening up a new clinic and focusing on building out my business here in Texas. I got to do everything that I wanted. I got to relocate, expand, settle down without compromising. And having Skyridge Lending guide me through the entire journey made it way less stressful. It wasn't just about buying a house, it was about making a major life transition. And they just made sure every piece just worked out for me.